It was a fantastic performance by the players despite the defeat. You played your hearts out. What are your thoughts on the game tonight?
Um, yeah, to be honest, we fight like a lion, and we did everything to win. But the chances that we get, we didn't score. That was a little bit difficult for us. But I'm still happy about my team. We came so far, and we need to wait till like 2 years more for the next time again.
Can you sum up this entire competition, your journey from the beginning till now?
To be honest, we didn't start like good. We gave too many chances away, but luck was on our side, and against Honduras, we won 1-0. But they couldn't score 10 times, but we had the luck that they didn't score. And against Jamaica also, the last 90 minutes, we scored a goal, and Salvador lost. We had the luck on our side, and I'm so happy for that, of course.
Thank you very much, Captain. Wish you all the best.